Hey there, welcome back. In this part of the video, we will be talking about that after entering the food into the food pipe, where will the food go and what will happen to the food? So, till now we have talked about that the food has entered the buccal cavity and then it has pushed towards the food pipe so that it can reach its next destination, which is the stomach. So, let's go to the stomach. This is the J-shaped organ, which is the part of digestive system, and this chamber is called as stomach. And this stomach, when the food enters into it, food will actually encounter with acids, some acids, and those juices, the stomach juices that has been secreted by stomach itself. Which acid over there? The hydrochloric acid will be there inside the stomach wall so that it can lubricate and convert the food into chyme, and so that it can enter that chyme can enter into the small intestine for the further digestion and absorption processes. So there is one more purpose of this acid to eliminate all the harmful materials from the food which has been entered when we have eaten the food. So after stomach, there will the food will enter into the small intestine. This is the small intestine here. The food will enter here. The In the beginning of the small intestine, there was the pouring of some bile juices and pancreatic juices secreted by the digestive glands, liver, and pancreas. They both are the glands which will secrete their secretions and juices into the small intestine, which will have some important enzymes to break down proteins, lipids, all of those food components that are there in those in that food. So now in small intestine, the digestion will be completed. The digestion process starts from mouth, but it completes in our small intestine. And then after that, what happens? The small intestine, after the digestion of food, that simple form of the food will then be transported towards the blood, because there is a blood supply in small intestine. So this small intestine will transfer and send the digested food into the blood so that blood can circulate in the whole parts of the body. Then there is the waste product which is remaining. Now what happens to that waste? That waste will be collected in the large intestine, and this is how it goes. This is the path which it follows to be collected here in the next part, which is the rectum. This is the chamber where the food or the waste products, indigested food, or you can say waste products in the form of feces, will be collected, and that will actually leave our body through the opening called anus. I hope you understood all of the things that we have discussed regarding the digestion and its processes. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.